Okay, this is CPL Quiz 2, Articles 1 and 10. A city court means a court of any city except for New York City Criminal Court. A town court is comprised of all the justices of the town. If the justice or all the justices of a village court are absent, an associate justice of a village may be authorized to perform the functions of a village justice. True. And then number 4 is false because that's only talking about a village. There's no such law about an associate justice in a town, so it's for a village. Number 5 is false because it's the chief administrator that has the power to adopt, rescind, and amend forms for the CPL. The state administrator, I believe that they do a form for adoption, but nothing with the CPL. Now, 6 is false because the local criminal courts have preliminary jurisdiction of all offenses, but not trial jurisdiction. And number 7 is true because superior courts are the ones that have exclusive trial jurisdiction over felonies. So obviously 6 and 7 both couldn't be true, and 6 is false. Local criminal courts have preliminary jurisdiction of all offenses, subject to divestiture thereof in any particular case by the superior courts and their grand juries. So if a felony complaint is pending in a local criminal court and then a grand jury indicts that person, the local court is divested of jurisdiction by the virtue of that indictment being filed. Number 9 is false because a superior court judge sitting as a local criminal court does not have trial jurisdiction over felonies. In fact, there's only 3 things that a superior court judge sitting as a local criminal court can do. And that's issue search warrants, issue warrants of arrest, and conduct arraignments. And that was what the question was in number 10. Okay, so moving over on to quiz 3, I'm just going to go over these 2 questions, which are part of Article 10. So which of the following are considered a local criminal court? And I'm going to read the ones that are correct first. A town court, Glen Cove City Court, a village court, a city court located upstate New York City Criminal Court, a Supreme Court justice sitting as a local criminal court, a traffic and parking violations agency, and then the 2 that were wrong were a family court judge authorized to adjudicate JD proceedings, because that's not even a criminal proceeding, and the last one said a county court. That's a superior court. So just be very careful. A family court judge is a family court judge. It's not someone conducting a criminal proceeding, so they can't possibly be a local criminal court. Now, this is false, so I'm going to read number 2 as if it's true, even though the answer to the question was false. But I'm going to read it as if it's true. CPL 10.40 states that the chief administrator shall have the power to adopt, rescind, and amend forms for the efficient and just administration of the CPL. A failure by any party to submit papers in compliance with the forms authorized by CPL 1040 shall not be grounds for that reason alone for the denial of a motion. Now I've made it true, but the answer was false.